Hello YouTube, I'm Ashish from RotoAnime YouTube channel and you are in the right place if you want to learn rotoscopy in best way. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first to know when I upload anything new. In this video, I'll tell you how to download the sequence footage which I use in my tutorials. So first, you need to open your Play Store in your mobile phone. Okay, so just open your Play Store and search here Telegram-X. Okay, this one. Now you can see this Telegram X. I have already installed it, so it's showing open. You can also download this Telegram. So both are same, but I'm using this one, Telegram X. You can also use this one. Okay, so after installing, just create your account in this. Okay, and then what you need to do is just search a channel. Here is the search bar. Just search here RotoAnime. This is my Telegram channel. Just click here and follow. After follow, just come to any of my videos page like this one. So in the description you will see the footage name. So here this footage name is GIYO50. Okay, so look for that here. You can find it here, GIYO50. So just you can click here and download. Let's wait for some time. So now you can see it's downloaded now. So now you need to find this footage path. So where is the path? So I'll open a file explorer. Okay, this is the file explorer. I'll go in internal storage of my phone. So it's internal storage, and then after go into Android folder. Okay, Android folder, then go into data. After that you will find this name, org.thunderdog.telegram. Okay, so go inside this, you go into file and you will find this in the document GIYO50. so from here you can copy into your desktop or where you want. Okay, so this is our footage. You can also go to Telegram web page. Here is the Telegram web page, web.telegram.org. go there and then you can find it here. And if you download this from here, then this file will go here. When you open the file explorer of your computer, you can find it inside of download. Here, this is the Telegram folder, Telegram desktop. You can find all your footage here also. Hey guys, if you find this video really helpful, then please give a thumbs up, and you can also support this channel. Here is Paytm QR code. You can scan it with your Paytm app, or you can directly send it to this number. Or if you are from outside of India, then you can use this PayPal link. I'll give this link in the description below.